Okay, we've got Debbie Rennert here. She's going to show us how to do the pickup from your I-cord on the triangle parade. Okay, let's see what you're doing.
You go under, bring the yarn under, and pull it through both of the V-stitches. Ta-da! Under,
Go from there to the back,
under,
and over.
and through, under, and through. And then when you want to make one for him, you bring your thumb around like that and make a loop like that. You don't want it to be a yarn over because it will leave a hole when you do the next row.
It's simply a loop.
Yep.
That's how you make one there. So you're on this pattern, it's 3.
Knit 3, make 1.
Or pick up 3, make 1.
Yeah.
Yep.
And see, I caught the wrong spot on that, so you just make sure your needle is clear of all the other strands.
And it helps a lot to have a nice loose I-cord.
1, 2, 3, and then make 1. Stick my thumb in there. Oops. See, I flub up too.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you.